How to use YNAB on mobile for daily budgeting. First of all, open the app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see your budget categories and subcategories. Start by reviewing your ready to assign balance. This shows how much money you have available to assign to your budget categories. The goal is to give every dollar a job so you know exactly where your money is going each day. To add income, tap on the plus transaction button. Enter the amount received, select the pay, choose a category and mark it as inflow. Tap save and your budget will update automatically. To track daily expenses, tap plus transaction again. Enter the amount spent, select the pay, choose the correct category and mark it as outflow. You can also add a note or adjust the date if needed. Once saved, YNAB will automatically update your spending and show your remaining balance for each category. For daily budgeting, regularly check your categories to see how much money is left to spend and ensure you are staying on track. Adjust amounts if necessary and prioritize spending according to your goals such as bills, groceries, or savings. By using YNAB every day, you can stay in control of your finances, avoid overspending, and make better decisions for your money. Now you know how to use YNAB on mobile for daily budgeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.